Welcome to today's episode, where we're exploring the future of content creation. Imagine a world where AI-generated content dominates the internet, leaving human creators behind. Sounds like science fiction, but it's closer than you think. A leaked study claims that GPT-5, the latest AI model from Google, can already produce content that's indistinguishable from human-created content. But is this the end of human creativity? We'll dive into the world of GPT-5 and explore the implications of AI on content creation. From news articles to social media posts, AI-generated content is changing the game. But what does this mean for human creators? Will they be replaced by machines, or will they find new ways to collaborate with AI?
That's a great question, and one that's at the heart of the AI revolution. GPT-5 is an advanced language model that can generate human-like text, images, and even videos. But how does it work? And what are the limitations of AI-generated content? Let's take a closer look at the technology behind GPT-5. It's based on a type of machine learning called deep learning, which allows the model to learn from vast amounts of data and generate new content based on that learning. But what about the quality of the content? Is it really indistinguishable from human-created content?
Not entirely, according to some experts. While GPT-5 can generate high-quality content, it's still limited by its training data. Human creators bring a level of nuance and creativity to their work that AI models can't replicate. But what about the speed and efficiency of AI-generated content? Can it really replace human creators?
That's a great point. AI-generated content can be produced at an incredible speed, often in a matter of seconds. But is this really a bad thing? Could it be that AI-generated content is the future of content creation?
Not necessarily. While AI-generated content has its benefits, it's still a machine. It can't replicate the emotional connection that human creators have with their audience. But what about the controversy surrounding GPT-5? Some experts are warning about the dangers of relying too heavily on AI-generated content.
Yes, that's a valid concern. AI-generated content can be used to spread misinformation and propaganda. But what about the benefits of AI-generated content? Can it really help human creators?
Absolutely. AI-generated content can help human creators by freeing them up to focus on more creative tasks. But what about the job market? Will AI-generated content replace human creators, or will it create new job opportunities?
That's a great question. According to some experts, AI-generated content will create new job opportunities in areas like content curation and AI training. But what about the timeline? When can we expect to see GPT-5 replace human content creators?
According to the leaked study, we can expect to see GPT-5 replace human content creators by 2027. But is this a realistic timeline? Can we really expect AI-generated content to dominate the internet that quickly?
Only time will tell. But one thing is certain. The future of content creation is changing fast. And it's up to us to adapt.
So what can you do to stay ahead of the curve? How can you leverage AI-generated content to your advantage?
Well, first and foremost, you need to understand the technology behind AI-generated content. Learn about GPT-5 and its capabilities. Then, experiment with AI-generated content and see how it can help you. Finally, stay up to date with the latest developments in AI and content creation.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more episodes on AI and content creation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.